What's happening, everybody? This is Beachin With The Boones, and we are down here on the boardwalk to see the lights on the boardwalk in the winter wonderland.
So we're going to give you a taste of what the lights look like right here in Myrtle Beach. This is running. Oh, and look at there. Brian's pointing out a sleigh. Santa Claus will be there. And this actually starts November the 29th and runs all the way through December.
This isn't lit yet.
This is not lit right here beside the volleyball courts. Well, they will soon light that up, and they'll have festivities over there for the kids to play and everything.
But down here it's lit.
It is lit. It's even lit on the beach. So let's go check it out. As you can tell, as we're walking around, some of us are in shorts, and because it's just very pretty out here. It's probably, what, 68 degrees out here?
It's still kind of warm for, what is this? The November.
Right before Thanksgiving. The week before Thanksgiving.
16th, 17th?
Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful blue bear.
Oh, yeah. It's Frosty.
Oh, there's Santa himself.
Let's see. See Santa. Oh, and Rudolph.
And we forgot to mention in the beginning that this is a free event.
So here's the bear you were speaking of. All lit up. That's Miss Frosty right there. So in between the sections here, you have the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. And we'll continue. A lot like Christmas, but it feels a lot like spring with it being 60 something degrees. Isn't that right, Mike? So this looks like the end of section 2. Apparently, if you look down in there, it continues on. Let's check it out. So in between the sections here, we're at 6th Avenue. That's where we just came from. We're at Skywheel. Let's head on down into this section. Another blue cave, but I think they're tricking us. Look, there's nothing else, because this is where all the action is. The drummer boys. Here's the entrance way to the ocean. Rocky Horse. Now there are a few string lights for overhead here, but it looks like this completes section 3. So we're here on 5th Avenue, as you can tell from the column. And it looks like another section. Let's go hit this one. Might go crank that handle and see what happens. So here's a drum, the Drumsticks. All right, another tunnel, a green tunnel. Now you have a decision to make here. You can either go to the ocean or take this tunnel, see where it leads. All right, into the next section. Looks like a lot of snowflakes, white and yellow. You gotta be careful with the yellow snow. Please watch your step. And that's not just me talking. That's Santa himself. Oh, please watch your step. If you look off into the distance, you can see 2nd Avenue Pier. And I have an assumption that this might be ending at the pier. There's Old Man Winter. Look at that. It's kind of cold, blowing in a snowstorm. And by the looks of these sails, it looks like we're coming up on 3rd Avenue. So we're coming into the last section, I do believe, right before you get to 2nd Avenue Pier. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but that water looks mighty high. It must be high tide right now. So this section seems like it's full of reindeer. Yellow and white reindeer and a few Christmas trees. And so instead of going through the path that they want us to go through, I might take this way, because I'm ruthless. Look, they're eating. There's a little baby reindeer. That one's so big, that might be an elk. I don't know about that. That makes me think, why didn't Santa just get elk? They're a lot bigger. They could pull the sleigh a lot quicker. And here's the end, right here at the 2nd Avenue Pier, the Wicked Tuna rooftop bar that we hang out sometimes in the summer. I might do a closing here, because I'm not sure she's gonna do it. We hope you enjoyed this walk through the Christmas lights here on the boardwalk. If you enjoyed this video, how about give it a thumbs up? And make sure you subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach, so you can keep beaching. Hey, y'all doing good. You can even take your bike on this magnificent journey.
Yep. And look, it's just steps away. So whenever you get tired of seeing the lights right here, they're right over there. You can hear the waves. Sweet.